Let's jump into Instagram story here. I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture. This is just so we start with a blank canvas. You could also create this by pressing the Sharpie icon, choosing a color, and just pressing and holding to change your background color here. So I'll just do a blue background to start with. Now I'm gonna go out of Instagram and I'm gonna open my photo library here on my phone. I'm on an iPhone X here. I'm gonna open the photo library and I'm gonna choose a picture. So I'll just do this thumbnail here and I'm gonna copy it. So you should know how to copy one of your images. In the case of the iPhone, it's the icon here on the corner and copy is the option. So now it's been copied. I'll go back to Instagram here and you see the add sticker just popped up in the corner. So you gotta do this kind of quick. So let me go ahead and delete that. You'll just gotta go over to your photo library here, press and copy, and immediately jump over to the Instagram app. So we wanna do this kind of at the same time, then add the sticker before it's too late, it will disappear. Now you could go ahead and place that sticker somewhere to create that montage. So this could be any image in any size. You could go ahead and resize it as you like. Now let me go back and I'll do it with a second image. Here I'll do it with this one. Again, press copy and then come back here. It should pop up with the sticker icon. Again, if it doesn't, it's because it's a new option. It will be rolled out. I'll put that there and let's do it to a third one to get a full picture here. We'll do the Google dark mode, press that, copy, and then come over here and then it will show up add sticker and then I could resize it and put it here. And if you press on the stickers, it will change it and bring it to the foreground here. So if you wanted this one in the foreground and flipping it, you could do that just like that. Now I have 3 stickers and my collage is complete. I could just press add to your story and it will add it to my story.